Want to change your Facebook cover photo without everyone seeing a post about it? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Then tap your profile picture in the top right corner to open your profile. Now, tap the camera icon on your current cover photo, and from the menu, choose the image you want to use from your gallery, adjust it if needed, and then tap Save in the top right corner. After saving, Facebook will automatically create a post saying you updated your cover photo. Don't worry, you can hide it. Just scroll to that post on your profile, tap the three dots in the top right corner, and select Hide from Profile. If a confirmation appears, tap Hide again, and that's it. Your cover photo has been updated, but the post won't appear on your profile. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.